Hello friends, today we will talk about Karen coin cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.00186 and its volume is around $7,68,000 and blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed one day ago. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened. Its rank is 2828 and around 1000 people have added it to the watch list, and its website is karencointoken.com and this is its price $0.000185 and BTC is 0.38% high, ETH is 5.51% high, low price is $0.0001, high price is $0.002. After that we will come down and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 53 million Karen coin. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 500 million Karen coin. After that we will open its website and click on karencointoken.com. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar like home, about, how to buy, meet the team, roadmap, white paper, match store. This is token address. We can buy on PancakeSwap V2. We can view live chart and community marketing fund BSC scan. We can join on Telegram, Twitter and other social media. The paired with ownership being re-announced, logged liquidity, lower entry exit fee, reward for holding and the most dynamic marketing schedule the crypto space has ever seen, makes Karen coin one of the cleanest, most transparent and community based cryptocurrency in history, built by the community for the community. Currently working on our first e-commerce use cases and tokenomics. Original supply 1000 trillion, 50% initial burn total supply, 8% tax on transaction, 4% automatically distributed to shareholder with every transaction, 4% automatically added to the liquidity pool in every transaction, cheaper entry and exit fee than most offer, automatic LP, 4% of every transaction is automatically added to the liquidity pool on PancakeSwap. Unlike many other protocol on the market, that liquidity pool is permanently locked, cannot be accessed by anyone. Rewarded when you hold. We rewarded Karen coin holder with a 4% tax, which puts Karen directly into your wallet every time someone buys or sell. Full transparency. Ownership being re-announced, slow continuous burn and community driven. And this is its roadmap. First, so it beings. We have successfully launched Karen coin and finalized the version V1 website and design. Importantly, this was a community driven fair launch on PancakeSwap with all dev team members bringing their tokens and participating with everyone else. Q2, everyone want to Karen continue marketing expansion across the channel and solidify Karen coin as a household DeFi token. Completion of Karen coin app and wallet along the starting discussing and regarding the Karen coin exchange. Q3, hold and stabilize, beginning community driven donation to raise fund for additional. Q4, Karen goes galactic, finalize, launch the Karen coin exchange, continue to explore Karen coin uses in the real world along the continued expansion of our internal team, create community discussion globally on the further expansion and investment plan for Karen coin, meet the team. We can join on Twitter, Telegram and other social media. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it, and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet, and if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. we will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.